Hi everyone. So some of you guys wanted to know an update on dry brushing because a couple videos back in one of my vlogs, I believe, I mentioned about getting a dry brush, and because I wanted to start doing that, and I have, and that's one thing, oh my gosh, I have always really wanted to do and really, incorporate in a daily or weekly routine and stuff. And I started doing that, and it is wonderful. It feels really good. So people aren't kidding about the benefits of dry brushing. It really does make a difference. And I know the past couple of weeks I kind of have slacked off. It's making new habits or healthy habits and stuff. Sometimes it takes time, and sometimes you really gotta be like on the ball. And with this, I kind of slacked off the past couple of weeks, but I know the first couple of weeks that I was doing it, I have noticed real improvements with the skin and just the way I feel inside too. So I mean, I can notice a difference because, for most of your life you don't do skin brushing, you see how you feel, but once you start dry skin brushing, it's like, wow, you really feel it. It's like, whoa, you can feel the difference. And so I know this is the dry brush that I have right here. I just bought it at Fred Meyer's, and it cost me like $6 or $7. So it's not one of those fancy, smancy, pantsy dry brushes like all you other raw foodies have out there. Some of them can get really, really expensive, and I know it does, the bristles or what it's made of kind of does make a difference. But for me at this point in the game is this works just fine, and I have felt really good benefits just with this. So I'm good with this one, but it really does make a difference. It really does, guys. So I figured I'd kind of talk about dry brushing because I think that's something everybody should do, male and female, and because it's all part of health, it's all part of taking care of the body and helping the body along, feeling better and just healing too, because believe it or not, there's a lot of benefits to dry brushing. It can really help you out a lot. First of all, you guys, I am not a health expert at all. I don't claim to be, and I don't want to be. I'm just sharing with you guys kind of my thoughts and opinions on everything here, and kind of my own experiences eating low-fat raw vegan, over the years and stuff. And I think the best way for me to convey some education on the subject is to just read an article to you guys, because that's not my forte here. But I actually found a really good article online that is a really short one. So if you guys want to visit it, most certainly. I mean, anywhere you search on the internet, there's so much information on the internet. You can certainly find information on dry brushing, but this is just a short one that just for the sake of this video that I kind of share with you guys. I thought it was really good, and it's from www.mindbodygreen.com. So I typed in Google benefits of dry brushing, and it was the first result. And so I just thought it was a really good short article that I figured just kind of read to you guys real quick here. It's really interesting too. And so I'm just kind of skipping down a little bit, and I'm going to start right where this lady she gives you some questions first. So, what is the largest organ in the body? What is one of the most important elimination organs in the body, playing a large role in daily detoxification? What organ receives a third of all the blood that is circulated in the body? When the blood is full of toxic materials, what organ will reflect this with problems? What organ is the last to receive nutrients in the body, yet the first to show signs of imbalance or deficiency? It's the skin. What do you know? It's the skin. So the benefits of dry brushing that she has listed on here is, she says, listen up ladies, increasing the circulation to the skin could possibly reduce the appearance of cellulite. Cellulite is toxic material accumulated in your body's fat cells. So rather than take drastic measures like liposuction, how about utilizing the dry skin brushing techniques to help break down unwanted toxins? Now, real quick, is I kind of just wanted to also mention is that health, a lot of you raw foodies already know this, that health is more than just food. That's why I think it's good in talking about all these other areas of health in life, because it's not just about what you eat. It incorporates a whole bunch of other stuff. You know, fresh air, sleep, socialization, happiness, doing daily activities, exercise and all that, and a whole bunch more, you know, a whole bunch more out there that benefits your health and your body. And it doesn't just all around set around food. Food plays a humongous part in the role, it plays a humongous part, but it's not the only part though. It's not the only part. So the next benefit she has listed is, it says, dry body brushing helps shed dead skin cells and encourages new cell renewal, which results in smoother and brighter skin. It can also help with pesky ingrown hairs. It assists in improving vascular blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. Now, a lot of you raw foodies all know about the lymphatic system, and well, hopefully most of you guys do, but that's a major part of health, is the lymphatic system. So it's very nice that a simple brush, just brushing the skin, actually helps the lymphatic system. Awesome, right? So it assists in improving vascular blood circulation and lymphatic drainage by releasing toxins, and it encourages the body's discharge of metabolic waste so the body is able to run more efficiently. Dry skin brushing rejuvenates the nervous system by stimulating nerve endings in the skin, and it feels pretty great too. I can vouch for that one, because that is one thing, is I kind of felt like it said, stimulated. Like, it just, the moment those bristles hit your skin and in your brushing, it like, whoa, wakes up your body somehow, and it gets things moving, and it's like, whoa, this feels kind of good. It helps with muscle tone and gives you a more even distribution of fat deposits. Dry skin brushing helps your skin to absorb nutrients by eliminating clogged pores. And the last thing that she mentions is that it can, if you do it first thing in the morning, it's a great start to your day. So how you can start dry brushing, which I think this is very important to understand too, so doing it right really makes a difference too. She says, start on dry skin before bathing, work in gentle circular upward motions, then longer, smoother strokes. Always begin at the ankles in upward movements towards the heart. The lymphatic fluid flows through the body towards the heart, so it's important that you brush in the same direction. Your back is the only exception to the preceding rule. Brush from the neck down to the lower back. After you've finished with the ankles, move up to the lower legs, thighs, stomach, back, and arms. Be cautious of softer and sensitive skin around the chest and breasts, and never brush over inflamed skin, sores, sunburnt skin, or skin cancer. Ensure you shower to wash away the dead skin cells and impurities. So I know for me, you guys, I haven't experienced lots of benefits with dry brushing. I still do it. I'm still trying to make it a regular routine. I know they say about, I think 2 to 3 times a week you want to do it, so it's not like an everyday thing, but that's what I've read. I think, but so that's what I've been doing, and it's been working. But I know it's something I think everybody should include, because the organ, or the skin, is the largest organ of the body, and you really got to take care of it too. You got to take care of your body inside and out, you know. Okay, you guys, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I'll see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.